Chameleons are fascinating reptiles full of surprising adaptations. Here are 20 interesting facts with explanations. They change color, but not primarily for camouflage. Their famous ability serves more for communication, displaying emotions, dominance, sexual receptivity, stress, and temperature regulation, darkening to absorb heat, lightening to reflect it, than for hiding. Camouflage is a secondary benefit. They have an ultra-fast, ballistic tongue. Their tongue is a complex muscular structure that fires like a spring. It can extend up to twice its body length in 0.07 seconds, with an acceleration of up to 41 g, more than a space rocket. It catches insects by sticking to its sticky tip. Independent eyes with 360 degrees vision. Their eyes are mounted on conical turrets that can move independently of each other. This gives them a nearly 360-degree field of view without moving their heads. When they locate prey, they focus both eyes forward for depth perception. Specialized zygodactyl feet. Their toes are grouped in 2 opposable blocks, 2 to 3 toes on one side and 3 to 2 on the other, forming a kind of pincer. This allows them to firmly grasp thin branches and climb with great stability. Prehensile tail. Most arboreal species have a long, muscular tail that they can wrap around branches like a fifth limb, providing additional balance and security while moving. No external ear or eardrum. They lack ears and a tympanic membrane. However, they can detect low-frequency vibrations between 200 and 600 Hz through a special bone in the skull, quadrate, that transmits air vibrations to the inner ear. Their hearing is limited. They see ultraviolet UV light. They have special photoreceptor cells in their eyes that allow them to perceive ultraviolet light. This can influence their social behavior. Some markings on their skin are visible only in UV and mate selection. They have exceptional telescopic vision. Their eyes have a very powerful lens that gives them great visual acuity at a distance and significant magnification, essential for detecting small prey, insects, from afar among the foliage. Their color change is due to special cells. Beneath their transparent skin, they have layers of cells called chromatophores, guanophores, blue/white, iridophores, reflect light, giving iridescence, xanthophores, yellow, and erythrophores, red. By contracting or expanding these cells and the guanine crystals in the iridophores, they control the reflection and absorption of light, creating colors. They cannot generate their own body heat, ectotherms. Explanation: like all reptiles, they depend on external sources, the sun, for heat. Their thermoregulation is crucial and partly explains their color changes, darkening to absorb heat, and their slow movements, to conserve energy. They move in a unique way. When walking, they sway back and forth rhythmically, mimicking the movement of a leaf swaying in the wind. This, combined with their natural camouflage, base color, helps them go unnoticed by predators and prey. They bob silently. Many species, especially males, perform a characteristic movement called head bobbing. They inflate their throat, open their mouth, and bob their head. It is a visual display of threat or courtship, often accompanied by intense color changes. They display dymatic displays. When feeling extremely threatened, some species may flatten their bodies laterally, open their mouths widely, hiss, and display bright, contrasting colors: reds, yellows, blacks. The goal is to appear larger and more dangerous than they actually are. Some have horns or crests. Many species, such as Trioceros jacksonii or Furcifer pardalis, have nasal appendages or cephalic crests made of bony tissue covered with skin. Their function is primarily ornamental and sexual, used in ritual combat between males or to attract females. Their scales are specialized. They have different types of scales, some small and granular, others larger and keeled, with a small central crest, and even conical or horn-shaped scales. These structures contribute to their camouflage and protection, and in some species, form distinctive crests. They hunt by sit and wait. They are inactive predators. They spend hours motionless on a branch, relying on their camouflage and telescopic vision. When a prey, insect, passes within range of their tongue, They capture it with their lightning-fast shot, consuming very little energy. The female controls the genetics of her offspring. Females can store male sperm for long periods, months or even years. They can lay multiple clutches of fertile eggs from a single mating, and in some species, they appear to have some control over which sperm they use to fertilize each egg. Some species are ovoviviparous, while most lay eggs, oviparous. Some species, such as the Jackson's chameleon, are ovoviviparous. The eggs develop and hatch inside the mother's body, giving birth to live young encased in a gelatinous membrane that they immediately rupture. They are extremely territorial, males. Males are fiercely territorial. They aggressively defend their feeding and mating areas from other males through visual displays, color changes, inflating their heads, head bobbing, and, if that's not enough, physical combat where they may bite or push each other. They are endangered due to habitat loss. More than 40% of chameleon species are threatened, vulnerable, endangered, or critically endangered. The main causes are the destruction and fragmentation of their habitat, forests, due to agriculture, logging, and urban development, as well as the illegal pet trade. These unique adaptations make them true masters of survival in their arboreal environment, although they also make them especially vulnerable to rapid changes caused by humans. They are amazing creatures.
En la rama está escondido, nadie lo puede ver. Mira al cielo distraído, pero te puede morder. Sus ojitos van girando, cada uno en su radar. Ve insectos caminando y los va a cazar. Camaleón, rey del color, cambia su piel como cambia el sol. Un artista del camuflaje y su lengua es todo un viaje. Camaleón, misterio y acción, con su paso lento y corazón. En la jungla o en el balcón, manda el camaleón. Tiene dedos de alpinista, cola que es como un gancho. Sube al árbol sin prisa, como si jugara con Pancho. No tiene orejas ni voz, pero igual se hace notar con sus tonos de emoción. Todo puede expresar. Camaleón, rey del color, verde, marrón o de mil flor. Cuando el sol lo acaricia, campeón, vive el camaleón. Dicen que es tímido, que se esconde sin razón, pero en su mundo invisible él es pura expresión. No necesita gritar ni correr a ningún tren, solo espera y está preso el insecto también. Camaleón, rey del color, mago sin capa, sin motor, con su lengua relámpago, caza con ritmo y sin rencor. Camaleón, orgullo animal, nunca pasa por banal, cambia el mundo a su sazón. Vive el camaleón. Vive el camaleón.